In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys the best TCP Optimizer settings that you can use for gaming. These settings will help you get better network performance and also fix issues like random ping spikes. Now, just a heads up before we get started, these settings are going to be focused on helping you get lower ping and latency, so they could negatively impact your internet speeds, meaning that you may end up having a slightly lower download and upload speed after applying these settings. Now, with that out of the way, let's get right into the video. As we always do, the first thing that we're going to do is create a restore point. The reason you want to do that is that if you're not satisfied from the results of this video, you can always revert back to your default settings. So click on Start, search for Restore Point, and then click on Create a Restore Point. In this window, first check if protection is turned on for the system drive. If it's not turned on, simply click on Configure, turn on the system protection, and set any amount between 1 and 3% on this slider. Do keep in mind that this storage amount is going to be used to store your restore points in the future. Once you set this up, just click on Apply and OK. Now click on Create, set a name for your restore point, and once again click on Create. This is going to take a few seconds and now your restore point is going to be ready. You can use this restore point to revert back to your default settings at any time. Now press Close and then press OK. Now what we're going to do is download TCP Optimizer. For that, you need to simply open up your browser and open this link that I will provide in the description of this video. On this website, press download now, close the pop-up ad, and now your download should start within 5 seconds. Once the download is complete, locate the file that we just downloaded, right-click, and run it as an administrator. Please note that this step is really important to do. If you don't run this as an administrator, it is going to give you an error when you try to apply these settings. So make sure that you run TCP Optimizer as an administrator before you modify any of these settings. First thing that you need to do is down here click on the custom button. Now before you modify any of these settings, make sure that modify all network adapters is checked. For the connection speed, if you have a network that has a speed of lower than 100 Mbps, set it to its actual value. But if you have a connection that has higher speed than 100 Mbps, drag the slider all the way towards the right. Next, you need to set your MTU to 1500. For the TCP window auto tuning, you can try the values restricted and experimental. You're going to have to try both of these values for yourself and see which one fits your connection the best. Window scaling heuristics should be disabled. The congestion control provider should be set to CTCP. RSS is going to be enabled. RSC must be disabled. This is one of the most important settings that you need to disable. TTL should be set to 64. And then you need to disable all of these other settings. Now in the advanced tab, both of the max connections should be set to 20. Host resolution priority is going to be set to 4, 5, 6, and 7. Retransmissions are going to be set to 2 and disabled. Initial RTO is going to be 2000 and minimum RTO is going to be 300. QoS should be left to its default values. Now under the gaming tweaks, network throttling index is going to be set to disabled and system responsiveness should be set to gaming 0. For the Nagel's algorithm, these are the values that you need to set. Large system cache should be disabled. Max user port should be set to 65534 and the times wait delay should be set to 30. Once that is done, click on Apply Changes. This is going to show you a list of all of these settings that are being changed and also the ones which have no changes. Now on this step, if you'd like to create a backup of your default settings, simply check this backup box and then press OK. This is going to apply all of these settings into the Windows registry, and it is also going to create a backup of your default settings in the same folder where your TCP Optimizer exe is located. Once all of this is done, to apply these settings properly, you must restart your PC. Once you reboot your PC and start playing your games, you're going to feel much more responsive. Your ping is going to be much better and your connection is going to feel much more stable. If this video helped you out, make sure to drop a like and subscribe to my channel. If you'd like me to optimize your internet for you and fix issues like high ping, buffer bloat, and random ping spikes, you can check out the link to my one-on-one optimization service in the description of this video. That is going to be it for today, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.